Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua niwaleana na utwio wa majaji atatu kuma kotini wa yiulu wa kumwithulwa kuma mwanyani wake wa Munini wa president mwakani wa 2024 aineena aandiki mauvoo. Gachagua niwaumbula kana nukuithiwa aithi kotini wa appeal kuleana na utwio usu vala wathingilela kana uti wa koti wa yiulu nunalikiledwa ni mavinya ange mwaka mwenu kwelesi.
Gachagua aineena kwelekela utwio wa koti wa yiulu niwaweta kana wende kwitikilana na utwio usu aithingilila kana ni usenyo koti uu kuweta kana haki ciake ni ciavulukiwe indi mailulumiilia kuvetangwa kwake kuma ofisini.
I'm shocked by the 350-page decision of the 3-judge bench of the High Court of Kenya pronouncing itself and holding that my right to fair hearing under Article 50 of the Constitution was violated, and then ironically purporting to uphold the impeachment. Most sincerely, we stand here today with tremendous respect to the judiciary of our country. While we respect the ruling of the High Court, we totally and fundamentally disagree on the interpretation of the law and application of facts. The long-standing legal principle of natural justice and the right to a fair hearing has been trashed and ignored in broad daylight. What a sad day for those whom have undergone this in the past and those who face the same in future.
Gachagua eweta kana nukwende anomanda aki na valau kwambata kotini wa appeal na vaemela yambata kotini munene muvaka aki yake kwatikane.
We shall proceed to file an appeal at the Court of Appeal on the decision and hope that justice shall prevail. The framers of the Constitution provided for an appellate and Supreme Court. We believe we shall fight to get justice one day.
Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP niwaweta kana ndekwitikilana na kunengwa milioni 500 ni koti usu wa yiulu vala waweta kana President William Ruto tawamunengete silingi bilioni ile yatiyewia na alea nani ya hivyo munokona koti uu dhidi ya Senate imunenge silingi milioni 500.
The 50 million Kenya shillings awarded to me is an insult to my fundamental rights and freedoms and a mockery of the Constitution. We are not interested. Money was never the issue here. Justice and constitutional supremacy was. I am one Kenyan leader who will not and cannot be swayed by promises of money to allow violation of the Constitution. Ruto had offered me 2 billion Kenya shillings in an effort to entice me avoid impeachment and choose resignation, but I stood for my rights and that of over 7 million Kenyans who voted for me. I rejected this offer and faced the National Assembly. This is in public domain. No offer, no amount of money can stand between me, my rights, and the rights of the citizens of Kenya under the Constitution. So if I could reject 2 billion, offering me 50 million is a serious joke.
Nilivotia vilingi wa mauvoo netoa mwaka mweu.